Hi guys, how is everyone today? It's Monday. Um, I want to start off by telling you guys there's been some changes made, okay? So if you are a student of Miss Hernandez, okay, and this video is only going to students of Miss Hernandez, um, if you are a student of Miss Hernandez, you will be getting your reading assignments from Miss Hernandez, okay? So I will not be giving you reading assignments. I will be giving you the writing assignment, okay? So I didn't want you to have a reading assignment from Miss Hernandez and from myself. That's double the work and it's not fair, okay? So Miss Hernandez has, I know a lot of you have signed on to her Google Classroom and there's activities there for you to do for her. So that's the reading. She will be taking care of you there. Okay, for writing, I have the assignment here and I'm going to explain it to you. Okay, all right. So I put the same thing in the document, same message. If you are a Miss Hernandez student, you will complete reading assignments for her and you will complete writing assignments for Mrs. Charles, okay? This way you don't have two reading assignments or two sets of activities to complete, okay? Does this make sense? If it doesn't make sense, please reach out to me, parents or students, text me, dojo me, anything like that, and I'll try to clarify, okay? All right, so here is your writing assignment just for this week. It will be to complete a writing piece, okay? You will need to work on writing throughout the week. Use the writing process, anchor chart, and the writing checklist to help you complete your writing piece. Type your writing in the box at the end of this document. Okay, so first let's talk about the writing process right here. Okay, first you're going to start with drafting. So your topic is going to be about, do you prefer learning at home? Why or why not? Write an expository essay. Remember, expository means an essay that explains something, explaining the advantages and disadvantages of learning at home. Okay, so we're all learning at home right now. What are the advantages? What's great about it? But what's not so great about it as well? Okay, so you're going to start that. Then you're going to do a little bit at a time. You can do a little each day. So if you wanted to draft on Monday, that's fine. Then you can do revising on Tuesday. For revising, you can add 2 supporting details for the advantages and 2 supporting details for the disadvantages that you listed. Okay? Then for Wednesday, you can revise by adding conjunctions. So revise by combining sentences using conjunctions. And conjunctions are words like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. And when you use those words, we have to use a comma as well, okay? And then Thursday, you can work on editing. Edit for subject-predicate agreement, punctuation, capitalization, and spelling. On Friday, you can work on publishing, finalize your work to turn in. You know what I'll do is I'll enter the day for each one so that you have it, okay? So that you know what you can do on Monday, what you can do on Tuesday, so that every day you have something different to work on with your writing piece, okay? Does this make sense? And you're not doing it all at once, okay? Oh, wed. And then for editing, that's going to be a Thursday, okay? And then Friday will be publishing, okay? And I'm going to just scroll down to this more of this document. Here's an anchor chart that I want you to use. That's called coordinating conjunctions, okay? So it connects 2 independent clauses. It connects one sentence to another sentence, okay? Using one of these words. And if you remember the acronym fanboys, FANBOYS, spells out fanboys, the words are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. These words help connect 2 sentences together, okay? Here's an example at the bottom. It says, I want more candy, comma comes before these words, okay? Comma, but he wants more popcorn, okay? Do you see how one idea, one sentence was now connected because of this word but to the last sentence here, or the last idea here? I want more candy, but he wants more popcorn. Okay? And here is your grammar and mechanics check sheet, or your writing checklist, you can call it. This is very important for you to use, especially on Friday when you're when you're publishing and finalizing your work, okay? Now, where will you write your writing piece? You will complete your writing piece in this box. This box keeps going, okay? It's about a page long, and I know some of you love, love, love to write, so you can make this box longer if you want, okay? Just by pressing enter, okay? And it'll add more lines, okay? So that's all that you're going to work on for writing this week. That's it. And for reading, like I said, you'll work with Miss Hernandez, okay? If y'all have any questions, let me know. I'm here for you. I miss you guys so much. Can't wait to see everyone again. Well, have a great Monday. Bye, guys.